Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2279 indicates an intake air system leak, specifically in the Honda Civic models from 2022 and onward. This Diagnostic Trouble Code suggests that the Engine Control Module, ECM, also termed as the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an abnormal condition relating to the estimated intake air quantity from the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV system. Specifically, it indicates that the amount of air flowing is greater than what is permissible, triggering a diagnostic alert. The PCV system plays a critical role in controlling the flow of gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold. The diagnostic process will involve inspecting related components such as the intake manifold, throttle body, and associated hoses to locate any potential leaks that could be causing this issue. DTC P2279 signifies an abnormality in the intake air system, particularly linked to the flow measured by the PCM from the PCV system. The PCM's role here is crucial as it regulates and monitors airflow to ensure optimal engine performance. The intake air system includes several vital components located in the engine bay, primarily the intake manifold, PCV valve, evap canister purge valve, and the throttle body. The intake manifold serves as the passage for the air-fuel mixture to reach the cylinders for combustion. A leak or irregularity in any of the components, particularly in connection with the PCV, can result in erratic airflow, leading to this trouble code being triggered. Several underlying issues can lead to the triggering of DTC P2279. Firstly, vacuum leaks, which can occur in several components such as the intake air duct, intake manifold, and PCV-related hoses, are among the most common causes. These leaks disrupt the intended airflow, allowing excess air into the system. Secondly, a faulty PCV system can also cause an imbalance in pressure and airflow. The PCV valve is designed to regulate the flow of gases, and any malfunction can lead to unintended results. Additionally, improper functioning of the evap system, particularly the canister purge valve, can affect airflow, contributing to triggering the code. Each of these causes necessitates thorough inspection to determine the exact failure point within the engine's air intake systems. The symptoms associated with DTC P2279 typically begin with the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard, indicating that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected an issue. Drivers might also notice a rough idle condition, which indicates that the engine is not running smoothly, potentially leading to stalling situations. In addition, an increase in fuel consumption might be observed since the engine is attempting to compensate for the incorrect air-fuel mixture caused by leaks in the intake system. These symptoms can directly impact vehicular performance and driving comfort, making prompt diagnosis and repair crucial. The compilation of these symptoms suggests that the underlying root cause needs to be addressed to restore optimal operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2279 involves starting the engine and holding the RPM at approximately 3,000. This step is crucial as it helps simulate driving conditions under which the PCM can detect airflow anomalies. While the engine is running at this speed, watch the HDS, or Honda's diagnostic system, particularly for the OBD status related to the Powertrain Control Module, PGM-FI. Once the radiator fan engages, maintain idle for about 1 minute, allowing the system to stabilize and the PCM to register any abnormalities. If DTC P2279 is still present after this procedure, further diagnostic steps need to be conducted to pinpoint the underlying issue affecting the intake air system. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P2279, the focus shifts to checking for vacuum leaks throughout the key components of the intake air system. Start with the intake air duct, which can often develop cracks or loose connections, allowing excess air to enter the system undetected. It's imperative to inspect the entire intake manifold, the PCV valve, and the associated hoses, including the purge hose, to ensure each component is securely connected and free of breaks or holes. Additionally, the throttle body should be scrutinized for any signs of wear or leaks. This thorough inspection is essential, as detecting just one small vacuum leak can be the source of substantial performance issues reflected in the DTC. The final step in our troubleshooting process for DTC P2279 involves confirming normal operational conditions concerning the intake air system. After thoroughly checking for leaks, visually assess all critical components to see if they are undamaged and properly functioning. This includes ensuring the PCV system and its hoses are intact, operating correctly, and free from blockages or leaks. It is also important to verify that the EVAP system components, including the canister purge valve, are performing as expected. If all parts align with the specified operational parameters and the DTC persists, further advanced diagnostic testing may be warranted to delve deeper into the PCM's response to airflow conditions. Once repairs have been made addressing the identified issues with DTC P2279, it is vital to conduct a final verification to confirm successful resolution of the problem. Start by rerunning engine diagnostics using the HDS to ascertain whether the DTC has been cleared. It's essential to start the engine and monitor the DTC for any reappearance, especially under conditions that previously triggered it. Ensure that all components related to the intake air system, including the intake manifold, throttle body, and PCV system, are functioning as required. This verification phase guarantees that all repairs have effectively solved the problem, restoring the integrity of the air intake system and enhancing overall engine performance. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in mitigating the chances of encountering DTC P2279 again in the future. Regular inspections of the intake air system are highly suggested to detect potential issues before they escalate into larger problems. This includes monitoring the health of components, such as the PCV valve, and ensuring all hoses associated with the intake system are in pristine condition, without signs of wear or cracks. Additionally, it is beneficial to clear out any potential debris or obstacles that may hinder airflow, as a clean intake system supports efficient engine performance. By adhering to a regular maintenance schedule, you can prolong the longevity of the vehicle's engine and avoid triggering troublesome diagnostic codes. In conclusion, DTC P2279 serves as a critical diagnostic indicator of an intake air system leak, emphasizing the significance of the PCV and EVAP systems in maintaining optimal engine performance. The key to addressing this issue lies in thorough inspections and detailed troubleshooting of each component involved in the air intake process. By carefully monitoring for vacuum leaks and ensuring that components are functioning correctly, issues can be resolved efficiently. The steps outlined provide a comprehensive framework for diagnosing and rectifying the problem, while underlining the importance of preventive maintenance. By staying proactive in monitoring vehicle systems, owners can enhance reliability and create a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.